my name is Bridget Mackay, and I'm an attorney and I work in the area of estate planning. And I'm in the midst of a series of video blogs for my website that relate to same-sex couples in planning for their estate plan or their trusts or wills. And this last installment, all of these have been relatively basic. I think the most important thing same-sex couples should know is that they are most in need probably of some estate planning, and when they go, not that it's complicated, but there's a lot of other things that need to be talked about and known for your estate planner. And essentially same-sex couples can plan in the same way that heterosexual couples can plan, in the sense that you can have a will, a trust, power of attorney, healthcare directive, and all the supporting documents that are needed to plan for your future. The difference is I think it becomes more critical in some areas for this community of folks to plan, mostly because of laws and attitudes that we still confront, unfortunately, in the 20th century. So today I want to talk a little bit about taking control of your life and taking control of your future, and not waiting for the Supreme Court to make a decision on how your life is going to be. You can do that through the use of a will or a trust and the support documents. I urge all of you to get either a will or a trust, or at least consult an attorney about doing estate planning. But even short of that, if there isn't the money there for that, the most important two documents that same-sex couples should have is a healthcare directive and a power of attorney. And I want to really emphasize those, mainly because I have seen situations where I've had clients who travel to Florida or a state that's not so accepting. One of them has a medical emergency and the partner is unable to make any medical decisions for them, unable to talk to the doctors about their care, and just some real heartbreak around that. So in the very least, one of the cheapest support documents you can put together is a healthcare directive. You can get them from the American Medical Association, the California Medical Association for $5, and make sure that your partner is on that you carry copies of it if you ever travel, and give it to loved ones that are close to you so that they too know what you want. These documents also plan not just for medical decisions while your partner's alive, but if your partner should die, it gives you the power to decide whether your partner's going to be cremated or not, where they're going to be buried. All of those post-death decision-making situations that can be very toxic in families and sometimes explosive. But if you have these documents, you know that your partner's in charge and that your wishes will be followed. To the same extent, financial powers of attorney, durable powers of attorney, are an important estate planning tool for same-sex couples as well. This, like in the health realm, gives you the power to make financial decisions on behalf of your partner if they're unable to. You can write checks, you can sell houses, you can do all of those things on their behalf, and you have the authority because you have the legal documentation for it. So if I can pitch anything in this series of blogs, is please get those two documents for your estate plan in the road to planning your trust and your future together, and it will save a lot of heartache. You should take control and not wait for the Supreme Court.